Hi everyone, this is Katya from the channel From Pacifica with Love. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so for more videos on Pacifica, Half Moon Bay, San Francisco Bay Area and beyond. Today I am in Half Moon Bay, and Half Moon Bay is located about 10 miles to the south of Pacifica along the beautiful Northern California coast. And today I am visiting Half Moon Bay Nursery because I need to get some flowers for my garden. I've been to this nursery before once, and it's incredible. Has such a great variety of flowers, plants, succulents, lavender, all kinds of flowers and plants, and fruit trees as well. So if you're ever in Half Moon Bay, I highly recommend that you visit Half Moon Bay Nursery that's located on Highway 92. And I'm gonna take you with me and show you all the plants and flowers that are available here, all the variety, and I'm sure you'll enjoy this. So right now I am inside the nursery, and as you see, a lot of beautiful plants and flowers here. Here's bougainvillea, which is always very bright and mostly of this, dark pink or purple color. Other types of flowers like petunias over here. There is a plant called verbena and different varieties of verbena of different colors. More bougainvillea, this time is more pink than purple. Nemesia, and that comes in different colors. Really small flowers, but very pretty. Continuing here is cyclamens. It's really beautiful, and all kinds of different colors, white and red, and I also see pink down the aisle. Such vibrant, very saturated, rich red color. So nice. This reminds me of tulip fields that you can see in Netherlands. Wow, what a variety. More cyclamens. It looks like they grow very well in this moist, humid Pacific climate near the coast. And I like the fact that the flowers and plants here are very well organized. As you see, there have been organized alphabetically by scientific botanical names, not common names, so that makes it easier for people to find what they're looking for. And obviously the flowers of the same type, like cyclamens that I have just shown you and showing right now, are all grouped together, just different colors. And these are chrysanthemums. As you see, they're also different colors, different shades of yellow. And what I like about this nursery is that has very detailed description of the flower, and also a description of, weather and which level of humidity these flowers can withstand, and also how to take care of the flowers. So that way, depending on which climate you live in, whether you have sun or most of your garden is in the shade, so then you can decide whether these flowers and plants will grow well, or you should choose something else. So we're continuing our way here, and these are primroses. Again, as you see, really nice variety here of pink, blue, purple, light blue. And this is a hibiscus flower, so beautiful, as you see, so bright. And it's hard to believe that the nature could create something as sophisticated and exquisite as this flower. That reminds me of some of the Georgia O'Keeffe paintings where she studied the flower in detail, and really could portray the beauty of a flower. These flowers are called pansies, and again, different colors here, as you see. And what I like about them, that they have this bright yellow center, but around it the petals are of all different colors, and not just one color, but combination of several colors. This bougainvillea, it has really interesting colors, like a combination of orange and pink, or maybe a peach and pink. Very interesting. More pansies. Whole kingdom of flowers. It's Friday morning, so not that many people. You could walk around here and just enjoy all the wealth of the flowers. Here's a lot of citruses, limes, lemons, mandarins. So if you in your garden oranges, so in your garden you have sun, so that's probably really good plants for you. Citruses grow well in sunlit areas. And this is area for different type of cactuses. Really good variety as well. And on the other side you have a lot of different succulents. These grow well in any climate. And then some of the plants and bushes and shrubs are outside. And this is really nice because you can also see a nice backdrop here of this canyon. So you can just go and walk around here, wander around, look at the flowers and plants and enjoy. So Polygala fruticosa or petite butterfly is a bush or shrub that grows really well in Pacifica and Half Moon Bay climate and the coastal climate. We have this in our garden, and it grew very well from a little bush to a much larger one in about a year or so. I'm gonna get maybe a couple more of these because they're really beautiful, very pretty small flowers here, and they grow really well. They are not high maintenance plants. I have got everything that I wanted. Those are the plants I've got, except for geranium. So unfortunately, didn't have geranium, which they did last year, and it was amazing and beautiful. And I planted some of these in my garden, and I really was hoping that I can get more, but unfortunately it didn't have those. However, they did have as all other things I needed. I hope that you have enjoyed the video of the Half Moon Bay Nursery. It's definitely a wonderful nursery, and so if you love plants, you love flowers, you are looking for plants for your garden, for your backyard, so definitely recommend this nursery to you. If you like my video, please support me with a like, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Pacifica, Half Moon Bay, Bay Area, and beyond.